Hi, this is Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and today we're going to take a look at some cool neon signs from Groovy. Keep watching to find out more. Okay, so Christmas is over, New Year's is over, and most of you are taking down your lights, but I'm actually putting up lights now to kind of make the home studio look a little bit nicer and to add a little bit of colour. I decided to add some lights. So we've got 3 lights from the company Groovy. Now, I'll put some links in the description so you can check them out on Amazon. I personally got these from geekstore.com, which again I'll put links to in the description so you can check them out. These were ridiculously cheap. These were like $3.99 each for some of them. So absolute fantastic bargain. And for less than £5 each, you can't go too far wrong. Now the normal retail price on these is normally around about the £10 to £16 mark, depending time of year, etc, etc. So I've got the Superman light, this one. I've got the Stormtrooper light, and also the Batman light. Now obviously the Batman light is probably the more iconic of the lot. The bat sign, most people remember this from their childhood, or maybe from their adulthood, or whatever it may be. But this is a pretty classic design. So let's take these out of the box and see what they're actually like. Now before I take them out of the box, actually let's go through some of the dimensions of these, because obviously on video and on camera it's difficult to get a real kind of feel for how big these things actually are. So on the back of the box gives you the dimensions. So the light approximately measures 23 by 23 centimeters for the Batman one. That's including the base as well. With the Star Wars one, the Stormtrooper, looking at very similar measurements. This one is 27 by 17. And that is a white neon. The Batman one is obviously a yellow, and the Superman one is a blue, and the Superman one is slightly larger. That's 26.5 centimeters by 23 centimeters. Again, the base itself is about 7.5 centimeters in diameter. So let's take them out of the box and see what they're like. So you get a power base with the appropriate logos on. On the back there is a jack for a 12 volt 300 milliamp power supply, which does come included, and also you've got a handy on-off switch. So if you've got the power brick somewhere hidden away and you can't get to it easily, then you've got a nice convenient on-off switch on the back. These are obviously suitable for things like bedside table lamps, pretty much anywhere you want them to put. They're quite flexible and they don't use a great deal of power, so it's quite nice for a bit of ambient light or even just a night light. You know I put the scissors somewhere. So these are actually really well packaged, so it's unlikely they're going to get damaged in transit, depending where you are. And they will ship, obviously Amazon will ship to whichever country you're in. The geekstore.com, where I got it from, I think they're a UK-based company, but they do offer worldwide shipping. So if that is something of interest to you, then you should definitely check them out. As you can see, there's 3 layers of foam to keep these things safe in transit, and they're held in place with twist sticks. So don't try and just rip them out of the box, because that would be bad. So there we go, there's the neon itself and the sign, which actually looks pretty nice. This is one of those things which even in normal daylight, it's studio lights in here, but in normal daylight, in daytime use, it's actually still going to look pretty cool, and obviously when the nighttime comes and you light it up, it's going to look even better. So that's the Superman one. Now there is a little notch on the back, so this can only go into the base in one way. So let's stick that in the base straight away. So there we go, there's a Superman one, so let's get rid of some of this and we'll have a look at the Star Wars one. And again, same deal with the base. It says Star Wars printed logo, again on-off switch on the back and the connection for the power. So there we go, there's the Stormtrooper one. I think that looks pretty cool. And again, it's one of those things where actually even in bright light or daylight or whatever, if you've got this in the background of maybe your videos, if you're making YouTube videos, or on a display stand if you're into collecting either DC or Disney stuff, these are going to look great. So let's have a look at the last one. This is going to be the Batman sign. Now again, from what I can tell, the company that makes these, Groovy, they have actually licensed all these logos, so I don't think you've got any worries there. Should you be worried about any sort of copyright infringements, that kind of thing. Although for us in the UK, with Article 13 coming out, all that could change very, very rapidly. Again, same deal, 13 amp, oh, actually not 13 amp plug, I'm not sure how many amps it is. Does it say? No, it doesn't actually say the amperage on there that is rated at, or the fuse, but anyway, it's IP20, if that means anything to anybody. Actually, again, hats off to these people. The packaging is pretty good. I would be very surprised if you'd get one of these which was actually damaged in transit. The cardboard itself in the box, it's actually a really nice thick cardboard, and I had these come through in another cardboard outer. There was no extra kind of packing peanuts or anything like that. So yeah, they've actually lasted or done pretty well. So there we go, there's the final one. There is the classic Batman logo. Isn't that pretty cool? So again, if you're a collector and you've got kind of merchandise or memorabilia from the Batman series, Superman, Star Wars, there are actually other brands they do as well on the website, which again you can check out in the links. But I think these would look really, really great in the background of any display. So there we go, there's all three of them. I think they look pretty cool. Now these are intended really to make the kind of the Mike's Unboxing studio look a little bit more interesting, a little bit more color. I'm not too sure what we're going to do. We're going to remodel this studio very shortly to try and change it around a little bit, make it a little bit fresher. And we are going to be starting to do how-to videos on how to set up and create and maintain a YouTube channel. And things like this, illumination, background, that kind of stuff, all goes towards that. So if you want to have a look at see how we make this YouTube channel and how to make your own YouTube channel and maybe even up the levels of the production of your channel, then click on the subscribe button, click on the chime icon, and you'll be notified of all future video releases. So that is the unboxing done. All I need to do now is power these up, and I'm going to do that now, connect it up to a power strip, and I'll leave you with some B-roll of the final look of the lamps. I've been Mike, this is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Okay, so for those of you that have stuck it through to the very end of this video, now unfortunately it looks like the Man of Steel unfortunately was DOA. So yeah, Superman has bit the big one. Unfortunately, the power supply that came with the Superman light seems to have some sort of issue, as you can possibly see from the footage you just watched. It was flickering away, and actually it was making my monitor in the background even flicker, so there's definitely something wrong with the power supply. Good news is, I've been in contact with geekstore.com and they emailed back in sort of record time and said, we're so sorry, here is a kind of site you can go to get a postage paid label to return the faulty item. They did offer to say if I want to return the whole lot or just the faulty item. So kudos to them, fantastic job. They've looked after the customer after the sale. Despite the fact these were on a very reduced price, they're still looking after their customers. So definitely recommend them if you're planning to purchase with them. Unfortunately, Superman didn't make it, but I think you'll agree the Stormtrooper and the bat sign actually look great. And even in this kind of dimly lit room, they actually still do pop out quite a lot. So let me know what you think of these in the comments section below. Again, I've been Mike, this is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.